Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Graphics Skyway. In this tutorial, we will learn how to make a logo like this. So, without any further ado, let's get started. At first, we need a line segment tool, hold Shift and draw the line. Hold Alt plus Shift, copy and adjust this line. Do it again. Select this line and go to Edit, copy and paste in front. Hold Shift and rotate this line. Now I go to rotate tool, rotate angle 30 degree, then OK. We need reflect tool, copy. Select this and little bit adjustment. Now we need a pen tool. Click here, select and join this path. Reflect tool. Take reflect tool. Hold Alt and drag this pointer. Little bit adjustment. Select all and take Shape Builder tool. Pick up the fill color, non-disturb color. Now draw your design carefully. Now you take direction tool, hold Shift and select all pointer. And drag. Rounded corner radius. Select this and go to Effect. Distort and transform. Copies 2. Angle 60 degree. You must check reflect X and Y. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you learned something from this video, then like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates.